Standard 3.10 asks you to identify sources and types of law. So let's get started. How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Virtual History 360. I'm Mr. Wade, and today we are reviewing Florida's updated Civics standards. Now, this might be your introduction to the standard or a review before the EOC. Either way, we're going to work through this content together. It might sound complicated, but don't worry, we're going to break it down together. You'll be just fine. But if you aren't already subscribed to Virtual History, do yourself a favor and click the button now so that you can keep up with all of the standard review videos that will be coming out this year. So, what do you say? Are you ready to jump right in with Standard CG.3.10? Here we go. First, let's discuss the historical codes of law that have influenced the United States. Throughout history, various societies and civilizations have developed codes of law to govern their communities. These codes, such as Hammurabi's Code in ancient Mesopotamia or the 12 Tables in ancient Rome, provided a set of rules and principles to guide people's behavior. While these historical codes of law may not directly shape our current laws, they have influenced the development of legal systems around the world, including the United States. Now, let's move on to the sources of law. There are several sources from which laws derive their authority. One source is natural law, which is based on the belief in fundamental rights and justice that exist independent of human-made laws. Natural law is rooted in the idea that certain rights are inherent to all individuals, such as the right to life, liberty, and property. Another source of law is constitutional law. Constitutional law refers to the body of laws and principles established in a country's constitution. In the United States, the U.S. Constitution is the supreme law of the land, and it outlines the structure of our government and guarantees certain rights and protections to the people. Statutory law is another source of law. Statutes are laws passed by legislatures at the local, state, or federal level. These laws address a wide range of issues and apply to everyone within the jurisdiction where they are enacted. Case law, also known as common law, is derived from court decisions. When judges interpret and apply laws in specific cases, their rulings become precedents that guide future decisions. Case law helps to fill gaps in statutes or clarify their meaning in particular situations. Now, let's discuss the types of law. One type of law is civil law, which deals with disputes between individuals or entities. Civil law covers a broad range of matters such as contracts, property, torts, those are civil wrongs, and family law. Criminal law, on the other hand, deals with offenses against society as a whole. It involves actions that are considered harmful or threatening to the community. Crimes such as theft, assault, and murder fall under criminal law. The purpose of criminal law is to maintain public order, protect individuals, and provide punishment for those who violate the law. Constitutional law, as we mentioned earlier, focuses on the interpretation and application of constitutional principles and rights. It ensures that the actions of the government align with the provisions set forth in the Constitution. Lastly, military law governs the conduct of members of the armed forces. It includes laws and regulations specific to the military, such as rules of engagement, military justice, and the chain of command. So, in conclusion, understanding the sources and types of law is essential to grasp the foundation of our legal system. Historical codes of law have influenced the development of legal systems worldwide, including the United States. We recognize neutral, constitutional, statutory, case, and common law as sources of law. Furthermore, we distinguish between civil, criminal, constitutional, and military types of law. This knowledge helps us navigate and appreciate the complexities of our legal system and the rule of law in our society. Okay, there was a bunch there, but we'll get there. I know you're going to go deeper into this in class, but hopefully now you feel a little more confident about the content going into that. But I do want to hear from you. Do you have any questions about what we've talked about today? I'm sure you do. So leave them in the comments below so I can answer them for you. Of course, while you're there, be sure to check out my spring store so you can get yourself some awesome virtual history shirts like the one you see me wearing today. This has the Supreme Court on it for a judicial branch, right? Be sure to use code STUDENT to get 10% off your entire order. And then go ahead and hit that like button so YouTube will share it, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. And check out my videos like the ones you see to the side here, the rest of this Civics playlist, or my other Civics videos, my US and World History videos, or even my 360 videos that you can look all the way around. I know you're going to like them, so check them out. For Virtual History 360, I'm Mr. Wade. I'll see you next time.